All right, hello there. So I installed the cursor. You could install whatever you want as IDE. I'm using cursor because of AI stuff that can help me developing very fast. So I'm gonna now open a project. We installed it in tutorial site RunPy. So I'm gonna open it, and then we have all our files. All right, so I'm gonna need a terminal, and let's talk about some structure here. So we have a py here. It's all about Python file. We have a main, we have setup. So in the main we have all code and also all endpoints, URLs. Then we have also setup, all library that we need. Very important to install it before getting started. So let's start with something like running this main. Of course, for this you need Python. So let's check what kind of Python do I have. So I have a 3.13. I think if you have 3.8, there will be some problems. So please upgrade to 3.10 and above. So this is gonna work. I always forget how to make some things. So I'm gonna go to the chat and I'm gonna ask. It's not about this file. So I'm gonna ask for now it's cloud. So I'm gonna say can you give me code for making environment for Python, and give me start code for run installing all libraries, libs, and all let's say in setup.py, and then run the flask from main.py. So it's gonna give me things. So let's create a project structure. Oh, it's not aware that I already have that. Okay, that's kind of disappointing, but doesn't matter. He will give us yeah, this is what I needed. So let's go to py. There is where our files are. So I'm gonna make environment, virtual environment. Then I'm gonna activate it. This could take some time because it's gonna make somewhere here, yeah, this map with all kind of stuff inside, and then okay, it takes time. So I'm gonna say activate, and then you will see that is in this environment. From this point I'm gonna install all the libraries from the setup, and it's gonna be like this. Install for global environment. No. So right now it's gonna install all dependencies like requests, Flask, Flask cores, Socket.io, and that kind of stuff. So we have here some kind of errors. With AI, I don't even look too much at the error. I just copy it and add to the chat, and then I'm asking what's going on. So I'm getting very lazy. So it's gonna give me a lot of things. Let's say pip version. So version is okay, legacy, but it seems the issue is with pip virtual environment session. Let's fix step by step. Okay, we could say upgrade. It's always good. No problem with that. Then installing basic requirements before installing the package. Right, there are some setup tools and wheels. That's okay. Then if you run in any issues, we could say, okay, deactivate, but let's first set up some tools. All right. And then, yeah, let's start with this one. I mean, .dev. We will need that for later, but yeah, let's just install everything in its folder. So it's gonna obtain setup data, and it's gonna watch for all those required packages. This could take some time, and it could give me also some error, but let's see what's going to happen. This can take here. Okay, let's go to main and talk about a little bit. So we have all imports here. Then we have a Flask, very important one. That's the framework that we are working on. Then we have some functions here, like start hotbit service. Okay, and then we have a class, and then we have this is kind of constructor. If you call this class, everything inside here will be called. So one things that are like important to know is this is the database. So it's gonna get database. Here is the call to class for generating hotbits, and other things like setup logging and directories, load plugins, and that kind of stuff. So it's all well done, organized in class. Then yeah, we have some logging that's useful for later on. Then set up directories. Also well useful for later. Then we have a loading of plugins. So it's gonna see if there is a plugin here. And then from this point, it's gonna see if there is some directory that is called like plugin, I don't know, let's say EEG, and then it will take that one and register it here as a plugin. So this is loading plugin, and then we have here route. Here we have to come later on, so I will test it. And also this, I love this one, it's like ping, and then it's gonna be returning pong. But at this moment I see there is some error, EHG error. So let's see if all right, so setup package, check your structure, environment. All right, so let's clear, let's say deactivate, and let's clear the environment, and then we're gonna activate it again. So this, yeah, takes some time. Okay, it's cleared. So it's gonna activate a new one, and then yeah, we already did this, so we're gonna try again. All right, so I was like here, so we were talking about all endpoints, and endpoints, I will show you what it is. It's just if you go to the website, let's say we are on a local host, and then we do /ping, and we should get back like return pong. But we have to do first this problem. So I'm gonna upgrade it. Maybe first let's deactivate it. So this, yeah, can take time, and this doesn't happen all the time, but sometimes you have this kind of problem. So let's go and upgrade again our upgrade pip, and then try to install this one, but maybe I don't need to go to environment. Let's do it globally, maybe then it will work better. All right. So it's gonna install this. Then we go to this one and try to install all dependency globally, not in my environment. And then yeah, it's gonna try again to run in a setup. Let's see if right now it's gonna work. And this kind of things in development, you can go and lose all day. So that's why development is sometimes very irritating. But yeah, so now AG in directory, I don't know why does it give me this, but let's add it to the chat. Let's fix step by step. Let's first check your setup. All right, let's go there and see required packages. Let's give him like this is my setup. Alright, from setup file run 3.7. Okay. Classifier. It's not correct configured for installation. It's going to okay. Let's apply. Let's see. We have here this kind of stuff, and then it's gonna be like this. So there are some changes here, but let's see if it's gonna work. So it's gonna be, we're gonna copy it like this, and then try to install it. All right, running, and all right, so everything is already installed, so it's good. So let's run the i3-1Py. So let's say Python main. We're gonna run it on the port 5000, and yeah, we have some problems. Click here, okay, trace. So yeah, apparently the connection doesn't work. I think this is with the last pool that we get this problem. So let's debug it for now. Add to the chat, just question mark, and it's gonna give you so SQL operation able to open database indicates the program cannot access database. It's usually happening because data virtually doesn't exist. Okay, so it doesn't exist, so we can make the data, let's say here, I think it's gonna be in this map. So let's say data. So let's run it again. All right, clone successfully. So it's gonna check here for any updates. Okay, so right now it should work. It's localhost, but it's on our 5000. So let's say localhost port 5000, and then we go there, and there you go. So this is the first fresh install of this program. So this took a lot of time, so I'm gonna stop right now, and then in the next one we're gonna go and check somewhere else like ping, and then you get return pong like in database, or like we saw it here. Ping pong, where is it? Here. So you go to ping and you get return pong. All right, so that's it for now, and till next time.